Hi everyone, quick thing I wanted to say. I will continue my apartment moving content next week with a grocery haul. Basically, this week is a little hectic since I'll be spending a lot of time at home and I don't want to waste the food from my grocery haul if I'll be spending a lot of time elsewhere. Okay, that's all. Enjoy. Sorry if you can hear any background noises. I opened up all my windows because it's only 7:30 and it's starting to get really hot in here. Just to make the most out of this 100-degree weather, I saw someone on TikTok last night putting cookie dough in their car's dash and basically wait a couple hours for it to cook by itself. And I thought that is a genius idea. So I have some Trader Joe's chunky chocolate chip cookie dough. Honestly, these expired on the 18th of June. And today is the 28th, so I don't know if that's bad or not, but I'm too lazy to go out and buy more. I also don't have an actual like cookie tray, but it's fine. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this. I've never done anything like this before. We'll probably check back at 12. Come on. Okay, so it's my lunchtime and I am very hungry. But first things first, I want to check if that cookie that I put inside earlier is baked. Okay, I actually got a little bit distracted, but yes, the cookie's baked. Let me show you them right now. I think they're actually melted though, so it's not really completely like baked yet. Alright, so I just had lunch. I had like this ravioli with some kind of tomato vodka sauce. They were all pre-bought, so like I didn't really make it that much. I just pretty much threw it all together and heated it up in the microwave. So update on the cookie. The cookie actually, I think, overbaked because there was like some oil from the cookie dough coming out and I left it in the car for a little bit too long, I think. So it's in the fridge right now cooling off because it's just pretty much like a bunch of goo. But anyway, since I finished my lunch and I have the cookie dough kind of cooling off right now, I thought I would dive in a little bit deeper about what supply chain is, how I got into it, and why I'm doing this internship and all that stuff. Just because I didn't really know what supply chain was, nor did I even know it was a major you can do. So supply chain, according to Google, is a supply chain is a network between a company and its suppliers to produce and distribute specific product to the final buyer. So that is essentially, how do you take the product that you're wanting to make from its supplier to the manufacturer, and how do you ship it to the end goal, which is customers? In my job specifically, I am working with a winery company. They call it different things. Every employee has a different take on what they're called, but essentially they start off as a family winery business and now they are big enough to be called a manufacturing company that wants to happen to sell wine. So I can't say really much more about what I'm doing because I signed a contract of what I can and can't say and I don't want to get sued. But yeah, so supply chain has been a really interesting topic within the last year because of COVID. A lot of companies did not really have a strong supply chain nor even a supply chain department at the time. And with COVID, everything kind of just stopped and it freaked out a bunch of companies, why some of them, you know, shut down unfortunately. And nowadays supply chain is a big buzzword because things need to be produced and things need to be distributed to the customers. So that is why supply chain right now is kind of getting a bigger name in its role, I guess, in the world. So I'm really excited to see what I'm doing in the future. Supply chain is everywhere. Pretty much anything that you see in the stores, it somehow had to have gone there. So that is how supply chain works. And especially with the vaccine nowadays, it is very important that things get there on time for everyone to get the vaccine and it to be properly distributed to everyone. The reason why I chose a wine company specifically though is that I knew that I wanted to do something different. I pretty much have all of my knowledge from Nordstrom specifically because I was just a sales associate and I really like fashion and whatnot. But with supply chain, I kind of want to broaden my knowledge and I don't really know exactly what I want to do. It could be fashion again in the future with supply chain, but for now, I think since I'm in college, I should just definitely try everything and know what I like and don't like, so then in the future I'll have a better understanding of what to do. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about supply chain, let me know. Maybe I'll do it a separate video as well, but that's pretty much it. So with that being said, since I'm all done with my supply chain spiel and whatnot, I'm gonna check on my cookies to see if I can actually eat one right now. So like, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like oil from this side specifically, and I think it was because I overbaked it in the car. Voila! I just got off work. It is currently 3:50 p.m. and I am about to be on the way now to the gym. I've been kind of hitting the gym lately. So hot in my apartment. I was literally debating on going to Barnes and Nobles and just work from there because they have AC and my apartment does not. I don't have like a thermostat. No, not thermostat. What's it called? Thermometer of like how hot it is. But outside, it's apparently 95. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the gym right now and just probably hang out there for a while too.
Excuse me, if you can hear the AC noise over my voice. Sorry, I was a little bit busy driving with fucking 200-degree wheels. My god, I think I got a second-degree burn from that. Actually, I left my hydro flask in here and it's hella warm, so I want to see if the water is still cold in here. Oh, never mind. It's warm. To be fair though, in here was probably easily over 100 degrees. I don't know the exact temperature inside the car earlier, but it was really hot. I'm at the gym right now. I'm not gonna talk much because usually when I go to the gym there's like nobody there, so. This is my campus. That is the workout place. And then over there is a bunch of other shit that honestly I've never really toured this area, so. And then there usually is a really nice view, but it's kind of smoggy today. I hope there isn't too many forest fires. Just got back. As you can see in the clips that I'm showing, I'm clearly new to the gym. We don't need to judge or anything. I know it's not good, but I'm still learning. Like, I want a butt, but like I don't want like too big of one. What I'm doing is just kind of like starting off and seeing where it'll go. I know it's not good, so that's just basically what I'm saying. Really random, but as I finished my workout, as I was walking out of the gym, on the side there's like a track and field, and then on the side of the track and field there's like a sidewalk. And on the sidewalk I saw like this couple playing badminton together, and it was so cute. And like I really wanted to talk to them, being like, hey, like I play too, like we should play sometime. But I didn't, and now I really regret that. I can't talk. Like I can barely talk to you guys through this camera. But literally, like when I saw those people, I wanted to talk to them, saying, hey, I play badminton too. If you guys go to Western and you guys like are still here when the school opens, we should play together. But no, I didn't do it. I just kept on walking, and they saw me staring at them, and I just stood there like, I can't just walk back there right now, because then they're gonna be like, oh wait, it's that same girl earlier. Okay, next time. If I see them next time, I will definitely go up to them and just try to make a friend out of them. I'm really tired and I'm kind of hungry. Right now, my hope is to not come back to my apartment till like later on the night, so then things cool down. My apartment right now must be blazing hot. I'm kind of craving something sweet. Funny because I just went to the gym. I'm probably gonna go get an acai bowl. Yeah.
I'm back from the gym and my little acai bowl run. I honestly just sat in my bathtub with freezing cold water for like 2 hours just to cool off. I feel like I've also changed like 3 times. I am now getting a little bit hungry and I think I'm just gonna make some cup noodle. I was debating if I should just like make pizza, which I have like the frozen pizza in my freezer, but I read somewhere online that you're not supposed to be using the oven if it's super hot outside, because then it's just gonna like make your apartment even more hot. I guess ramen will do for now. I'll also need to watch the final episode of Fruits Basket, which comes out today, or it already came out this morning, and I need to watch it. And I'm already getting a little emotional because it's the last episode, and I kept up with this anime back in like middle school, maybe even like before that. It's crazy though. It's just like the reboot was so good in my opinion. It makes me feel so old too though. I'm debating of making either this dry noodle based Taiwanese style noodle or this Japanese sesame oil. I'm leaning more towards the Taiwanese style because I had this one yesterday with Adrian. Also, as a quick disclaimer, I will be doing my dishes later. Don't come for me. I was just eating outside and all of a sudden I hear like a little bit of a buzzing noise, and it was a fucking bee trying to just eat up my food. This is why I don't go outside. I can't. Some of you guys are probably like, oh, it's that, it's just a bee, like relax. No, I can't, because every single fucking bug on this planet bites me, stings me, whatever the hell we call it, and I get crazy ass allergic reactions. I wish I was still filming just to see like the panic in my eyes and just me running inside. But anyways, we're back and I'm gonna watch my Fruits Basket now.